Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to write a program that defines a function, and that function needs to find the maximum of two numbers. So let's dive in. In the main function, I have a call of a function that is called find max, and there are two parameters so that is passed when we are calling this function. So this function find max is here. So when I go there, we see that it's of integer function type, meaning that it is going to return an integer value for us. So this is the name of the function. We can change it as we wish. And there are two parameters inside the parentheses, meaning that whenever we call this function, we need to have two parameters inside the parentheses, and they have to be of integer data type. Basically, whenever this function is called, this line of code must be executed. This part of the code, this block of code is executed. And there we are checking to see if the value of A is larger than B, greater than B. So the first parameter is greater than the second parameter. If so, return A, because A is the larger, greater value, because this is a function to find us the maximum of two numbers. So if A greater than B, return A, meaning that, okay, so we're comparing, for example, 10 and 7. If A equals 7 and B equals 10, so 7, is it larger than 10? No, this statement is not true, therefore it's not going to return A. Else, meaning that if this condition is not true, it is going to go to the else part and it is going to return B, which is number 10. So let me explain it one more time. Here I have a call of a function with two parameters, 7 and 10. The output of this function is going to be assigned to the right hand side of this, okay? Meaning that we call the function with A equals 7 and B equals 10. We check here, it is going to return B for us because 10 is greater than 7. So the output is this B, which is number 10. So 10 is on the right hand side. It is assigned to a variable of integer data type, which is called max. Then we are printing max in the output. So when I run the code, we see the maximum is 10. So let me change the number. So now this one is 17 and B is 10. So when I run the code one more time, basically what happens here is that A equals 17, B equals 10 now. So 17, is it greater than 10? Yes, so return A. And this part of the code is never going to be executed. So it is returning A, which is number 17. On the right hand side, we have the 17. It is assigned to the variable max. And finally, in the next line, I'm printing the variable max here in the output. So this is basically how to define a function to find the maximum of two numbers. Thanks for watching.